Guys, if you're traveling here in Switzerland also, make sure na bawal. Ayaw nila na magbi-video kayo na meron andun sila. So, wag niyo sila kunan because they don't like to have pictures or videos. Talaga, guys. Grabe kasi yung data privacy act nila dito. So, we need to respect them. So, bawal mag-take picture, mag-videos na andito yung mga tao. Ganun lang. So, if gusto mo talaga maka-picture nila or maka-video with them, just try to ask them if you're allowed to take photo, ganun. Pero yung mga bahay nila, yung sasakyan nila, bawal talaga, guys. Especially yung bata, yung mga baby. Oh, ang cute ng baby. Pwede pa picture. Hindi, pwede. Dito die. Ay, grabe yung or else, papagalitan ka or mas worse is ipapupulis ka dito. So, ganun lang. See ya!